Weather, and then we're up.
Weather and then us.
Am I doing weather?
Yeah, you're on.
Someone else's? Not me? Oh.
Live at Superior Grocers with more. Hey, JC.
Hey, what a great day to be outside and cooking some peppers. Nanny Bubby, great to have you here. Hatch peppers. It's all about hatch peppers. What makes them so special?
Well, first of all, it's only a one time of year season that starts in mid-August and it ends when all the peppers are gone.
Okay.
And they're not coming back until next year. What makes them unique is that the Hatch Valley has the most unusual weather in the entire world, and this is
I got John here with Superior Grocers. You guys have some special events happening this weekend with the hatch peppers. What do you have going on?
We do. We'll be roasting tomorrow at Nellis and Lake Mead, our first location we brought to Las Vegas, between 7 a.m. and 2 p.m. We'd love to see you come by.
Okay, here's the deal. We roasted some peppers. Carlos, drop the peppers. What do we have here?
And 1, 2, 3, whoa!
I love you so much, Nanny Bubby. I'm going to send it back to you ladies in the studio, and of course take a pepper for myself.
Thank you, JC, and thank you to Melissa's Produce and Long Life Air Community.
Change all the boxes. It changed. Oh, it's no longer.
I'm going to send it back to you ladies in the studio, of course take a pepper for myself.